Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine being able to step across centuries of Siamese history, walking from the mountainous Lana kingdoms of the north down to the silt houses of the southern seas, all in a single afternoon. So welcome to Muang Boran, the ancient city in Bangkok, the world's largest open-air museum. It serves as a living, breathing archive of the country's most incredible architectural marvels. It provides us a rare chance to see the entire kingdom in a single day, far away from the standard tourist tracks. Spanning a staggering 200 acres, this open-air museum is shaped precisely like a silhouette of Thailand itself. It isn't just a park, it's an architectural dreamscape, conceived in the 1960s by eccentric Thai billionaire Lek Viraphont. The grounds serve to preserve the soul of Thai building history, and inside you find over 120 monuments representing the kingdoms of Siam. Rising directly out of a glassy pond sits Sumaru Mountain, a striking otherworldly temple guarded by a giant swirling mythical fish that represents the centre of the universe in Buddhist cosmology. It is arguably the most visually striking and philosophically deep structure in the entire ancient city. It represents the pinnacle of Lek Virafont's creative phase, where his design shifted away from literal historical reproductions toward capturing the rich spiritual imagination of Thai folklore and Buddhist cosmology. The giant fish lunges out of the glassy water, its scaly back serving as a dramatic bridge and a visual reminder of the treacherous spiritual journey that is required to transcend into the earthly realm. Standing on the bridge, you get a palpable sense of the tranquility that the founder wanted to evoke. It's a physical manifestation of ancient Thai beliefs where art, cosmos, and nature meet in perfect harmony. If Sumaru Mountain feels like stepping into a fantasy, then the Pavilion of the Enlightened feels like stepping onto a movie set. Clad entirely in shimmering shades of emerald green and brilliant gold, this majestic complex floating on a glassy lake is arguably the most photographed spot in the entire of the ancient city, and for a great reason. The Pavilion of the Enlightened holds a bittersweet place in the park's history. It represents the absolute final masterpiece designed by the founder before his passing. Rather than replicating a real historical site, it is a pure work of architectural imagination and a profound spiritual monument. Architecturally, the pavilion breaks boundaries by beautifully blending elements from Thailand, China, and Myanmar into a singular, cohesive style. The soaring, multi-tiered roofs and sweeping eaves resemble the highest forms of Ayutthaya period Thai craftsmanship, whilst the colour palette and the intricate woodwork draw heavily from Chinese artistic traditions. When you're walking across the winding golden bridges, you notice how the structure seems to shift shape with every step, because the water beneath is incredibly calm, and the complex creates a perfect dual reflection. Standing on the curved bridges, with the emerald and gold spires rising behind you, creates an image that feels entirely timeless. Because the park is genuinely massive, deciding on your mode of transport the moment you arrive is critical to shaping your day. Attempting to explore on foot is practically impossible in the tropical heat. You can rent one of the park's electric buggies, which is widely considered the ultimate luxury hack for the best experience. It allows you to cover vast distances with ease, provided you bring along a passport or a driving licence to secure the keys at the rental booth, and the process couldn't be easier. The electric buggies are rented by the hour, directly at the main entrance ticketing hub. For a two-seater cart like we used, you can expect to pay 350 Thai baht for the first 2 hours, and then 100 Thai baht per additional hour. The price goes up slightly for a 4 or a 6-seater golf cart, but this is so reasonable, and honestly it really made our experience here fun. The buggies are completely electric, silent and incredibly simple to operate. The real magic of the buggy is the freedom to be able to pull over anywhere. Spot a hidden Lana-style teak temple tucked behind a grove of trees. All you have to do is just park the buggy on the grass, walk in, take your photos, jump back in and keep cruising. On the southern perimeter of the park, you'll find the old market town, built to show the raw daily rhythm of Thailand's historical working class. It's a fully functional, self-contained replica of a Thai-Chinese merchant community, and it's a great place to step away from the golf cart, grab a bite to eat and a cold smoothie, just to experience the slow travel vibe. We absolutely had to visit Wat Phra Thutterbat, known more locally as the home of the sacred footprint of the Lord Buddha. The amazing monastery has a mythical story behind it and is built directly over a natural rock depression that Thai Buddhists passionately revere as a genuine physical footprint left by the Buddha during his mythical travels. Reaching the footprint shrine feels like ascending to a heavenly realm. You climb a grand stone hillside flanked by 3 distinct parallel staircases that represent the mythical stairways of gold, silver and crystal. And at the summit sits the Mondop, a stunning square open pavilion topped by a towering 7-tiered spire, roofed with green glazed tiles. The 12-cornered pillars are entirely gilded and inlaid with multicoloured glass mosaics that glitter brilliantly in the tropical sun. On your way around the park, you might be intrigued to head inside an incredibly striking multi-headed temple complex, known officially as the Mondop Phra Chattaprat, but more commonly known as the Ghost Museum. Travellers will probably assume that this is a type of haunted house, but in reality it's an intricate exhibit dedicated entirely to Thai local ghost lore and Buddhist cosmology. When walking around the temple complex, the tone has been set here to be eerie, and the exhibits are highly detailed and beautifully grotesque, mapping out different spiritual classes. What makes the Ghost Museum so fascinating from a travel perspective is realising that these images aren't meant just to terrify. In Thai culture, ghost stories serve as a profound societal purpose. The park itself contains over 120 structures that are meticulously arranged into 5 distinct geographical regions. While some are scaled down replicas, many are jaw-dropping, life-sized reconstructions of palaces and temples that were tragically destroyed centuries ago. The undisputed crown jewel of the central region is the Samut Prasat throne hall. The original palace is in Ayutthaya, which was razed to the ground during the War of 1767, but artisans painstakingly resurrected it here using old blueprints and historical records. Its sweeping, multi-tiered roofs and blinding gold and white interiors give us a glimpse into the absolute peak of the Ayutthaya era. It is a full-scale reconstruction of the principal palace of the Ayutthaya kingdom, meticulously brought back to life after its original counterpart was reduced to ash and rubble during the fall of Ayutthaya in 1767. For the founder, this building was a labour of love that took nearly a decade to complete. It serves as a monumental testament to what Siam looked like at the absolute peak of its golden age. Inside the district of Muang Boran, you will come face to face with a glittering architectural icon that looks instantly familiar to anyone that has visited Bangkok's Grand Palace. This is the Dusit Maha Prasat Palace. At first glance, it looks like a replica of the famous Royal Audience Hall, built by King Rama I in 1790. But slow travellers who look closer uncover a fascinating secret. This building is actually more authentic than the real one standing in Bangkok today. To appreciate the Muang Boran version, you have to understand the tragedy of the real Dusit Maha Prasat palace. Whilst it was originally built as a soaring showcase, it underwent massive renovations during the reign of King Rama III. Unfortunately, those renovations wiped away almost all traces of the original 18th century wood carvings, the colour schemes and the layouts. As you journey further into the park, the landscape shifts from regal palaces to mystical waterscapes and ancient frontiers. We took a trip to the northeastern loop of Muang Boran, and it's here that you'll find yourself stepping back further in time than almost anywhere else in the park. Muang Boran's creators had become architectural archaeologists to bring this long-lost style back to life, and it is a beautiful palate cleanser. After spending hours looking at the overwhelming gold and red details of the royal palaces, stopping here feels like visiting a quiet, sun-bleached Roman forum in the middle of Thailand. If you want to experience the grandeur, the spirituality and architectural history of Thailand in just a single day, then this is it. This is the ultimate destination for you. Hopefully this has given you a great insight into one of our absolute favourite historic escapes just outside of Bangkok. You'll need to trust us if you do plan on visiting, and you will not be disappointed. So let us know down in the comments if you've ever visited, or if you're pinning this one to your Thailand bucket list. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and consider subscribing to the channel. So we'll see you on the next one. Till next time.